Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Tuesday, April the 2nd, and this is a quick recap on today's trading. So let's just dive right in. So today, regarding this account, today was kind of a weird day. So let me just rephrase here. I do want to kind of go over. So pre-market, actually starting at the 3 o'clock at the Europe Open, overnight Open, we had a stair stepping down all basically from 4 o'clock on. Then here at 8:30, we just sold off. I think it was over close to 200 points. And anyway, I was really bearish going into the market. And of course, if you know me, the last couple months, I have only looked at taking long trades. But seeing this big sell-off, I really felt like today could be a day where we just see a downtrend all day long. And that's kind of was my mentality going into it. And I was kind of going with the mentality that I was going to be aggressive on taking short trades. And I was. Starting off the day here, we took a lot of short trades here. And I think somewhere around here, we were like $400 in profit. But I know around 11 o'clock, I was around $400 in profit. And basically, things were going really well. And I was being a little bit too confident. And I was a little bit too aggressive. And I took this trade here, which was a bad entry, just not being patient, thinking that we're just going to keep going lower. Obviously, we didn't. I took about a $200 loss here. But we did make it back. I think here somewhere, we did finally, we made at least a good portion of it that we made back, which was great. But then again, just kind of overtraded today. I definitely overtraded today and just gave back a lot of those profits. So a little disappointed, even though we ended the day green by, $87 in the green. It was still overall kind of a disappointing day for this account. Just giving back that much profit is just, it kind of grinds my gears and something I don't do a lot of. So I guess green is green, and still I was just a little bit disappointed, but we did have a really good day on our other accounts. I was also pretty aggressive trading those accounts this morning. And then this afternoon, I actually went and got a haircut. Maybe, I don't know if you noticed or not, but I got a haircut around 3:30. So I didn't really catch any of this move, but I kind of traded this range with my other accounts. I just traded the range here, which worked out pretty well. Let's go to the other accounts. Here we go. Oh, okay, hang on. That's supposed to be like that. Actually, you know what? The reason I have this tab open, I opened it because it was on the Apex Discord. So we might as well cover that now. Apex just announced, so if you were unfamiliar, the 80% one-day pass sale was ending tonight at 5 o'clock. Okay, which we were all kind of curious, what is Apex going to come out with next? What sale is it going to be? And dun 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 dun, surprise! The sale has been extended. So in celebration, this is the video that Apex put out. This is just them kind of in celebration of, having a great month. They had over 25 million paid out to traders in March, which is crazy. So in celebration of that, they have extended the 80% off one-day pass sale. They have extended that to April 30th. Crazy. So I guess we get the 80% off one-day pass for the rest of the month. I'm not complaining. So we'll take it. But that's why I had that up. All right. Now, on these accounts, as you can see, I'm very happy with how we ended the day. We actually traded all of these accounts, and to be honest, it wasn't that painful. This morning, I had one account that was in the red by like $300. I had a little bit of a battle getting that into green, but I got that into green. And then the rest of the accounts, again, I don't want to say this too loud. I don't want to say it was easy, but I basically scalped the bottom of that range that we had this afternoon here. Basically, the bottom of this range, I was just scalping it. I think I even took a couple short trades on the top of the range, and that's how I made most of my profits on the remaining accounts. And basically, it took two trades. I had one mini, excuse me, I had one mini contract with 13 ticks take profit, and I just scalped that. And yeah, it was. I don't want to say it was easy, but never went through much drawdown, and it was actually a lot of fun. So overall, actually, end of the day, really happy, and it was great, especially kind of how my streaming account went. I was kind of frustrated a little bit when I ended stream. I had cut the trade short, and kind of given up on a trade, and then. Well, here, I'll just show you real quick. This trade here, I was in this trade for a long time. And then I finally gave up here, cut the trade. And then, of course, we go to my profit target. So I was a little frustrated when I ended stream here. But yeah, I'm very happy with how we ended the day. Overall, on all the accounts, again, the accounts with the highest balance we have. So the top 3 accounts, actually these 2 accounts we've already gotten a payout from. These have $1,400 in profit, so we still need about $1,200 more. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We now have 5 accounts above 1,000, and then we got the rest of them around 900-800, and then we got a couple stragglers that are 400 or 500 in profit. But this account here, we kind of dug out of the trenches, and now that is $200 in profit. I think this one was like, I don't know, it was red. So totally happy with how the day went and ended up. So hopefully we can continue and keep going. Again, I'm not really interested or focused on a payout for this pay period. If we can request a payout for the 15th through the 20th of April, that would be ideal. That's kind of what I'm aiming for. But again, just going to try and take it slow. And hey, I don't mind if I can trade all my accounts. Like today was pretty easy. I could just cycle through the accounts and things just went really smoothly. But other days, obviously, they do not go like that. So on those days, I'm okay if I don't trade all my accounts. So anyway, that's it, folks. Yeah, again, Apex extending their 80% off sale until the end of this month. Pretty awesome. So 80% off, 1-day pass, probably one of their most popular sales outside of the 90% off 1-day pass. So anyway, that's it. That's a wrap. Take care. Hope you have a great evening, and God bless.